All right, guys. Welcome to this channel, and thank God it's Friday. So today on this channel, as you can see on my screen, I'm going to be making a video on how to create a YouTube channel. Now, for a while now, earlier this month, I got two people who messaged me from my YouTube channel and asked me, Jasmine, how do you create your YouTube channel? How can I own a YouTube channel and start creating video like you? Though I also have created this video before now, but recently, I think during the last weekend, I got two people who also messaged me asking for the same thing. Then my mind went to this, like, I need to create this video for them. Now, if you are also in this shoe looking for a way for you to start your own YouTube channel and start making video, then you are in the right place. All right, so but before we go on, if this is your first time coming across my channel, my name is Aylan Emmanuel, and I am an online entrepreneur. And on this channel, I bring videos about tips and tricks, smartphone, making smartphone a kind of easy stuff for you to use, and also about affiliate marketing, making money online, and mostly smartphone ideas. All right, so if you have not subscribed to this channel, please just scroll down there and hit the red subscribe button. All right, so without further ado, let's get into the real video. All right, so welcome back, and here I'm going to be all right, so I'm going to open an incognito tab. Now, before I really move into this video, now there is something I need you to know. Now, YouTube is just like you creating a blog website, but here you don't need to start. You don't need to go and buy a domain, a hosting plan, looking for any developer to build your blog site for you. Though we have a lot of free websites you can use for blogging, but if you really want to own a blog site, then you should really go for a hosting plan and a domain. And maybe very soon I'm going to be making a video on which hosting platform you can use, which hosting platform is better. But for now, let's focus on YouTube. So YouTube is just like you creating a blog, but blog is kind of pictures and text, but YouTube is about videos, and it's always free. All you have to do is create your channel, start making videos, post, and invite people to always watch your video. All right, so with that being said, now the website we're going to be making use of is youtube.com. Like it's all about YouTube. So let's wait for it to load. Now, one of the things you need to get ready before this video is you need a Gmail. And I think if you are above 16 years, you should have a working Gmail, and that is all you need. So once you come to youtube.com, now this icon here showing all right, this icon over here showing a kind of image. I can zoom in. So just click on it, then you click on sign in. Now make sure the Gmail you are using is not already signed up on what's it called, sign up on YouTube. All right, let me try some kind of emails. Which emails I've not used? Let me check. Okay. I'm sorry. All right, so I think I've not used. Let me make use of this. Let's see. I still remember the password. Fuck up. Alright. So just going to click on next, confirm. Alright, as you can see, I'm in back on YouTube. Now once you are here, now what you want to do is click on the same. Now the other time it was showing a kind of profile stuff, but here it's showing if for me, let me show you my Gmail now. For the first one, adjustment graphics, there's a picture there. The second one, there's a picture. Now the fourth one, which was Ayula Remani, there's a picture as well. For Jasmine Digital World, there's a picture, but the one I'm using is this Sarah King here. There's no picture there, so that is why it's only showing S here. So all you have to do is click on X, then I think I have a channel already. All right, so let me just click on it and see if it's going to bring out any channel. Okay, great. Now on this account, I don't have any channel. Now all you have to do is, let's go back. So you click on that icon, then you click on your channel, then whatever name you want to use for the channel, you can put it. So I'm just going to put make. All right, okay, use YouTube as make money Sarah. All right, so you click on create channel, and you wait for it. Now you have a channel already. So exactly just the way you can create your own channel, very simple, very straightforward. Then all you have to do is start posting videos. All right, so I'm just going to click on this, put it on a desktop site. All right, so let's wait for it to load. Okay, now once you are here, now you have home, there's nothing there. You have playlist, nothing there. Channels, nothing there. Discussion, nothing there. Then about, nothing is there. All right, so what you want to do is click on customize video. Let's see, continue to studio. If you have this YouTube Studio app, you can click on get the app, or if you want to download it. But for this purpose, I'm not downloading it. For some reason, I uninstall it from my phone, because anytime I'm trying to do anything on Chrome browser, it always direct me back to that app, and most times it's always annoying. So that's why I uninstalled it. So let's wait for this to load up. All right, while that page is loading, I'm looking for a way for me to edit some stuff on it. Let me see. All right, so let's go to settings. Okay, let's check on some settings here and see if we can make some corrections. Okay, thank you. All right, so you zoom this in and layout, that thing. Okay, close it. Thank you. Okay, now this is where I'm coming to. Now it says your profile picture will appear here. Now you need to upload a profile picture. Now for my own channel, there is a picture that I use, but here let's just just going to upload a random image here. Now you need to do this. You need to put an image there. Maybe you're going to message someone to customize that for you, whatever, maybe a kind of logo you want to use. So I'm just going to scroll to my Pixel Lab, then I'm going to pick just a random image, some kind of edited stuff. Oh, okay. So I'm just going to pick this, then click on done. As you can see, it's there. That's how it's going to appear. So let's click on this as well, and upload a YouTube banner. Now don't try to do this thing yourself, okay? Give it to someone to do it for you. Give it to someone to do it for you. All right, so let me look for something to use there. I think I'm where it's done my own. I think this is it. Okay, not the one. All right, here you want to add a watermark. Now watermark can just be anything. Let me just put this image as watermark. It doesn't even ask for anything. So this three thing is really important while you are creating your channel. These are the things you need to do first. And let me click on this. Right size, but at least just for this, for the purpose of this training, I'm just going to click on done. Okay. And just click on done. Now as you can see here, this is how it's going to always shows on your channel. You know, for those who are using a big screen, a laptop screen and a phone screen and everything, then all you have to do is click on publish. All right, I think that is published already. So basic info. Now you want to come here and add your info, description about your channel. Changes publish. Okay, so you click on this, then welcome to make money Sarah. I am Sarah from California, and on this channel I'm going to be teaching you how to make your first $100 online. So stay tuned and never miss any of my upcoming video. Full stop. To always be the first to get my video, click the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell. All right, so that is that about that. You can input your own info or whatever you want to put there, but for this purpose, that is what I'm using. So here you click on add link. Now you enter a title, maybe your YouTube channel, you click it, you add the URL. Most time what I did was okay, first link okay, indicate which link okay. Now for this, just add in your social media handle, you understand? Let's say WhatsApp, then URL, then I can put https, then wa.me slash, then you enter your WhatsApp number 2349033922293. Then that is that. Okay, cancel. Then for this contact info, your email, that's Sarah. Okay, then you can go on and click on where is it self? It's not even bringing it. Alright, so all you have to do is the publish button should be on, then you click on save and you are done with that. Alright, so that is that about that. And what other thing do we need to do? Let's see. Okay, for now, this is YouTube monetization, and for this YouTube monetization, you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch views. Like, your views should have over 4,000 watch hour. All right, so I'm just trying to check some things here. Maybe there's any correction we can make. All right, here is where you can manage your statistics, how your videos, your channel is doing very well. Then playlist, maybe you don't need it sometimes. And okay, here is where you can upload your video. Now, several ways for you to upload your video, but let's say you want to upload your video, you can always come in, then click on upload video, then you select the file you want to upload. Okay, it's taking me to my gallery. Now let's say videos. All right, so let's say I want to, this was the last video I posted. Let's say I want to upload it. All I have to do is just click on it, then it starts uploading. All right, so once you click on it, it starts loading a lot of page what's called information. You enter the video description, the video title, the tags, and a lot of stuff. All right, so that is that about that. And what's other thing? Let me check. Okay, and if you actually want to hold a live video as well, all you have to do is come here, then live stream, then you click on get started, and you are live on YouTube. Okay, so the last one, which is your dashboard. Now, just like I said the other time, there are several ways for you to upload your video. This is another one here, and I showed you the analytic stuff over here. This for you to click on this is going to take you to the analytic channel analytic, and you can also click on this and you are good to go. Now let's click on the image and go back to the main channel. All right, so here it is, and then as you can see, we have two images I just upload, and the watermark that I upload the other time. Anytime I upload a new video, YouTube is going to add the watermark to it. All right, so I think that's all for this video, and thank you for staying tuned. Please, if you have not watched any of my video before, this is your first time coming across my channel, just like I said the other time, just hit the subscribe button. Well, it's going to take you just a second to do that, but it really means a lot to me. And if you got real value from this video, just click on the like button, and also tell me what you like most about this video, how this video has helped you in the comment section. And if you have any other questions for me, you can also drop it in the comment section. I'm always available there, like 24 hours a week. All right, so that is all for today, and until next time, I'm going to be creating my video. Stay tuned, and God bless you.